Verisurf 2026 provides enhanced inspection capabilities through support for QIF, the emerging Quality Information Framework standard. QIF enables the capture, use, and reuse of metrology-related information such as model-based tolerance, measurement settings, and measured data to make inspections more efficient. QIF ensures that quality data from design through final inspection remains accurate, consistent, and machine-readable. The use of QIF eliminates manual data entry errors and standardizes CAD, PMI, and characteristic IDs for end-to-end digital traceability. It supports inspection automation, digital twin initiatives, and closed-loop manufacturing, and standardizes quality across the supply chain. It also synchronizes CAD with semantic PMI, balloon characteristic IDs with inspection results, and design intent with actual manufacturing and measurement outcomes. Verisurf 2026 supports the direct import of QIF files, including CAD geometry, GD&T callouts, dimensions and tolerances, and characteristic definitions and IDs for use in part inspection. Inspection plans can be created automatically from the imported PMI to facilitate part programming. The finished plan can then be used to check the part on a CMM or another device using Verisurf Auto Inspect. The MBD tools in Verisurf can also be used to create the product manufacturing information, or PMI, relevant to QIF, including datum targets and features, part tolerance information, and bubbled characteristic IDs. This information is associative, so it remains attached to the geometric features throughout the product lifecycle. Verisurf 2026 exports complete QIF files that include CAD geometry with semantic PMI and characteristic IDs that sync directly with first article inspection reports, such as AS 9102 and PPAP. These files are ready for downstream use in inspection applications, quality systems, and for submittal by customers. With Verisurf 2026, you'll benefit from a complete model-based workflow with inspection automation and digital traceability to ensure high-quality inspection results.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.